Did you know about 6.8 million people of the United States population are affected by generalized anxiety disorder? That's a little over 3% of Americans. This disorder is a treatable yet demanding disease that affects both the mind and the body. I think we've all felt anxious at some point in our lifetime and can truly relate to the people who have to deal with this disease and know how difficult it can be to overcome anxiety. Today I will tell you what generalized anxiety disorder is, symptoms of this disorder, and the available treatment. There are many different types of disorders, such as panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, and many more. But today I'm going to solely focus on generalized anxiety disorder. This disorder is based around worry, and it's worrying about multiple things, but in most cases, worrying about things that are not something you would typically worry about. It is usually not diagnosed until you have had this disorder for about 6 months. Next, there are many symptoms that go along with this disorder, both mental and physical. The most obvious symptom is the constant and sometimes irrational worry. Most people who are diagnosed with this disorder see the symptom first. This is not your everyday stress such as paying the bills or arriving to school on time. This begins to take over your life with worrying about everything you encounter. Another symptom that affects individuals mentally is difficulty with concentration. Drawing a blank when communicating or working is very common in people with this disorder. While on the other hand, many may feel on edge and very irritable and not so shy. Although the symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder can make your everyday life difficult, there are many options for treatment to help with coping with this disorder. The first step in exploring treatment options is to talk to your psychiatrist. They can help you with weighing out your options and point you in the right direction. The most common treatment in the past 5 years for this disorder is medication. Many people with anxiety are prescribed antidepressants to help them ease their symptoms. Another common treatment plan is to join in therapy. Using therapy as a tool can help you develop strategies to manage your symptoms. And finally, in conclusion, generalized anxiety disorder is a disease that is centered around constant worrying that can affect an individual mentally and physically. The side effects are troublesome, but with the right treatment, they can be managed properly. Since we all know what it is like to stress or worry, you can imagine how difficult this disorder can be. And I think if everyone looked into the right treatment options, it could be okay.